Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your money wisely. Unlike that time I bought a smart toaster that only burned my bread. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning products with a showdown between the Newbealer Steam Mop and handheld cleaner and the TVD steam cleaner. So grab your popcorn, because things are about to get messy. In a good way. First things first, let's talk about the price. The Newbealer is coming in hot at $104, while the TVD is strutting its stuff at a whopping $179. Reviewers highlight that the Newbealer offers great value for its price, being lightweight and effective. On the other hand, while the TVD is pricier, many users appreciate the robust build quality and extensive functionality it provides, making it worth the investment for some. Now onto cleaning power. The Newbealer boasts a powerful 1200W steamer that heats up in just 20 seconds, perfect for blasting away grime. Reviewers mention that it works quickly and effectively. Meanwhile, the TVD has a heat-up time of 8 minutes and provides high-pressure steam that lasts for a staggering 50 minutes. Users have praised its effectiveness in removing tough stains and even wallpaper, making it ideal for larger cleaning tasks. When it comes to tank capacity, the Newbealer has an 8.5 fluid ounces tank, giving you about 10 to 25 minutes of cleaning time. Some users wish for a larger tank to avoid frequent refills. The TVD, however, has a massive 52 ounces tank. Reviewers love this feature, as it allows for extended cleaning sessions without interruption, making it great for bigger cleanups. Versatility is key, folks. The Newbealer is an all-in-one steam mop and handheld cleaner, coming with various attachments for different cleaning needs. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, but some mention limitations in certain areas. The TVD, however, takes versatility to a whole new level with 28 accessories. Users rave about the range of attachments, making it suitable for various tasks, from cleaning windows to tackling tough engine grime. Weight matters, especially if you're trying to get fit while cleaning. The Newbealer is a lightweight champ at just 3.96 pounds, which many reviewers find convenient for maneuvering. The TVD is heavier, but it compensates with a long power cord and steam hose, allowing you to clean without constantly changing outlets. Users appreciate this feature for added convenience, even if it's a bit bulkier. Overall, the Newbealer steam mop and handheld cleaner is praised for its affordability, lightweight design, and quick cleaning capabilities. However, some users noted limitations in high-temperature performance and functionality on certain surfaces. In contrast, the TVD steam cleaner receives high marks for its powerful steam, versatility, and robust build, making it a favorite among users looking for a heavy-duty cleaning solution. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So which steam cleaner won the battle? If you're looking for an affordable, lightweight option with decent cleaning power, the Newbealer is your go-to. But if you want the heavyweight champion with more features and the ability to steam clean your entire life, the TVD is the one to beat. Remember, whether you're Team Newbealer or Team TVD, the most important thing is to clean up after yourself. Unless you want to find yourself on an episode of Hoarders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.